I was thinking the Olsen twins. For the witch, I'm thinking Sarah Jessica Parker. Natural face into it, and that would creep people out. And the Olsen twins, they're dreaming about America, right? They're like, America. They're typing on the internet and they're looking for ways to get to America. They're just, oh, really, LOL, that's what they do. And oh my God, a tunnel opens up and they can't help themselves. They've got to go down this tunnel. OTS style, there's darkness and there's spider webs and cobwebs, but the screaming's getting louder. The screaming's getting a lot louder. And I want their eyes to shatter. I want them to just, it's from your nightmares. It's Count Dracula terrifying. Yeah, I know, terrifying. And then you get down to the end of the hall and you look to the left and there's just a bunch of cells. Cages everywhere with beautiful women. Mary-Kate and Ashley are getting kind of hot. And there's these Ukrainian guys and they've got these guns, these big guns. It's a sex slavery. The truck stops in like Utah. Yeah, you get it? They break the glass and they shatter it and they grab a gun and they hit the lever and they hit the buttons and all the doors swing open. But the girls have been drugged, see, right? They're crawling out, and but you feel bad for them because they're so beautiful. And they're looking at each other and the shame is almost overpowering, but the love of the dream is strong enough to push them through.